Hey guys, welcome back to another Ghost and Express video. I'm currently here at Mount Ku-ring-gai. The set that just departed is A4 on platform 2 heading to Barawa. The next stop will be Barawa only. V22 passing. I think it's going to somewhere. V something. V48, I believe. Passing Mount Ku-ring-gai platform 1 on the central service. We have A4 departing platform 1 for a Penrith service. Next stop will be Mount Cola, Asquith, Hornsby, White Tower.
For your safety, please mind the gap
all
between the
stops
train and platform when getting on and off the train.
That's A4.
The train on platform 2 goes to Barawa only.
We have A31 on platform 2, Barawa service, stopping at Barawa only. A31 is the set. That's B50. I think B50 is going towards Newcastle, Gosford or something. Yeah. Jeez, that got me deaf. We got a freight train that just passed. Oh my god. Going to somewhere? Oscar H40 and H28 passing central service via Hornsby. Its next stop will be Hornsby, followed by Stratfield and Central. We have A31 going to Penrith. From the weekend, Penrith services will now go to Barawa, terminate at Barawa or terminate at Hornsby. Hornsby services from Gordon will now terminate at Gordon. They will go back to the city, to the North Main Line, go to Gordon or somewhere. We have A31 now departing, platform number 1, Penrith service.
The next train to arrive on platform
We now have a water. Big 7 is there. It is kind of cloudy today, so that's why I was planning not to stay a bit longer, but just want to stay a bit longer to make a longer video. So it's about to rain, I think, and the train is about to pass.
Smoking is not allowed at the station or on train. Fines apply. Thank you.
We have A7 about to depart, platform 2, for our only service. We'll terminate at Bulawayo and turn back to the city. I will most likely to get this train back into the city to Hornsby and then to Epping.
Doors closing. Please stand clear.
To Hornsby, then I train for central service via A7 now departing. Nice driver! TXP 2007 and trailing. Coming from Casino Grafton. Just past. Thanks, driver! Be something and be something, which is always poppet. D54, D49. Central via Hornsby service. Alright guys, we have A7 arriving into platform number 1 for our Penrith service. This will be all for the video. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell. And of course, always don't miss out for another video, so hit that notification bell and you'll get notifications whenever I post a new video. And I will see you all in the next video, and goodbye for now.
This station is Mount Ku-ring-gai.
Doors closing. Please stand clear.
Peace out, everybody, and goodbye for now.